Stevie.
Hi, I'm Lauren.
Hi, I'm Billy.
Hi, I'm Tim.
Hi, I'm Casey.
And together, we're Hi-5!
Oh, hi. I'm just making some final adjustments for my round-the-world trip. Now, I'm travelling light, just got my box and 2 cylinders. Now, the first part of my journey is by plane. So, here we go. I've got my plane body and 1 wing, 2 wings. That's all I need. Better get a run-up. Here we go. Up, up, and away! I'm off on a journey, on a trip of a lifetime. I wonder what I'll see. Gonna fly through the sky, see the clouds drifting by. In an aeroplane, I'm feeling free. Wow, what a perfect day for flying. Not a cloud in the sky. Well, maybe just a few. Alrighty, it's time to come in for landing. Here we go. Down, 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 down. Ooh. Bit bumpy, but we made it. Now, the next part of my journey is by train. Ooh, sounds like the train's almost ready to leave. All aboard, picking up speed. Chugga, 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 chugga. Rattling and chugging along we go. I'm off on a journey, on a trip of a lifetime. I wonder what I'll see. Watch the trains flashing by, watch the trees flashing by. On a train, I'm feeling free. Wow, look at those trees in a tall, pointy shape. Must be a pine forest. Oh, so many steep hills to climb. Come on, little train, not far now. 1 more hill to go. Here we go. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. There, we made it to the end of our forest journey. Wow, I think I see the ocean. Don't want to miss the boat. Ready to sail the ocean blue. I'm off on a journey, on a trip of a lifetime. I wonder what I'll see. Gonna sail across the ocean, watch the waves roll by. In a boat, I'm feeling free. Wow, here we go. Here comes a big wave. Get ready to roll over it. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, good work, little boat. Time to head back to port. Here we go. And we made it back to land. Wow, what an amazing trip. I did it all. Air, land, and sea. Lucky me.
Chipper chopper, chipper chopper. Hi, I'm Lauren Helicopter. Start my engine, and up we go, off on a helicopter adventure. I am a helicopter, and I go chipper chopper. My rotors lift me off the ground, where I can fly and hover. My rotor's spinning round. A chipper chipper chopper, a chipper chipper chopper, chipper chipper chopper helicopter. Chipper chopper, ready to land. Oh, another noisemaker. Ready to fly again. I am a helicopter, and I go chipper chopper. My rotors lift me up the ground, where I can fly and hover. My rotor's spinning round. A chipper chipper chopper, a chipper chipper chopper, chipper chipper chopper helicopter. Wow! And stop.
taking the teddy bear family on holidays in their teddy caravan. There you go, guys. Ooh, comfy? Well, I'm driving, teddies are all on board. Off we go to the caravan park. Oh, we're all having a holiday, just the teddies and me. We like to stay in a caravan. Oh yes, oh that's the holiday plan. We like to stay in a caravan park. We always get there before it's dark, and we're all having a holiday, just the teddies and me. Yay! We made it! We're at the caravan park. And here's a lovely shady tree. If we park underneath it, it'll keep us cool. Oh, goodness! What a racket! Is there a rowdy cockatoo up there? I'll take that as a yes. Well, can't park the caravan here. It's far too noisy. Hold on tight, teddies. We're on the move again. Oh, we're all having a holiday, just the teddies and me. We like to stay in a caravan. Oh yes, oh that's a holiday plan. We like to stay in a caravan park. We always get here before it's dark, and we're all having a holiday, just the teddies and me. Oh, wow, look at this lovely pond. What a peaceful view. Well, this place looks promising, teddies. I think we'll stay here.
Buzz, buzz!
Oh, Mozzie?
Buzz, buzz!
Oh, was that another mosquito? Oh, dear. Well, I think there's a bunch of them living around this pond. They must think it's a lovely place to stay too. Well, we can't stay here now because I don't want mosquito bites, and neither do the teddies. Never mind, I'm sure there's a great place for this caravan. I've just got to find it. Oh, we're all having a holiday, just the teddies and me. We like to stay in a caravan. Oh yes, oh that's the holiday plan. We like to stay in a caravan park. We always get there before it's dark, and we're all having a holiday, just the teddies and me. Oh, well, I have a good feeling about this place, teddies. No noisy cockatoos, no buzzy bitey mozzies, just one other caravan. We've got a neighbour, teddies, and I bet they're very nice. Well, time to set up camp. Hello, neighbour!
Teddy bear! Hi, I'm Teddy Bear Lauren. I'm going on a picnic in the forest. Step hop, step hop, step hop. I can skip all the way. Teddy bear, skipping through the forest. Step hop, all the way. Teddy bear, singing and a-skipping, looking for a place for a picnic today. Step hop, all the way on a sunny, funny skipping day. Can't see any good picnic spots yet. I'll have to keep on skipping. Teddy bear, skipping through the forest. Step hop, all the way. Teddy bear, singing and a-skipping, looking for a place for a picnic today. Step hop, all the way on a sunny, funny skipping day. Ah, this looks like a nice spot for a picnic. Ah, strawberries! Yum! Hi-5!
Did you order a taxi?
Yeah.
Well, it's your lucky day because this is a magical musical taxi.
Magical? Musical? What do you mean?
Well, tell me where you want to go and I will get you there with music.
Wow, well, I'm off to the bush. I need to get some country air.
Okay, we'll hop in
Okay.
and we'll hit the road.
Alrighty, I'm in. Here we go.
I've got just the sort of song to get you in the mood for your holiday. A country sort of song.
Cool.
Yeah, sing along with me.
I'm on the road to a holiday. I'm on the road, going far away. I'm on the road, on the road. Off on an adventure today. Whoa!
Here we are.
Oh, fantastic! That was so much fun. I feel like I've been in the country all along.
Well, I told you it was a magical taxi.
Yeah.
Hey, have a great time in the country.
Okay, bye.
Taxi!
Oh, Tim the taxi driver at your service. Tell me where you want to go and I will get you there with music.
With music? Cool. Well, I'd like to go to the beach, thanks.
Oh, we'll hop in and we'll be on our way.
Cool. Oh, I can't wait to hear the sound of the sea swooshing and feel the sand between my toes.
Oh, well, I've got a great song for that.
Oh, yeah?
A cool reggae song.
Oh, I like that beachy beat.
Sing along. I'm on the road
I'm on the road
to a holiday. I'm on the road
I'm on the road
going far away. I'm on the road.
I'm on the road
On the road.
on the road
Up on an adventure today. Whoa! And here we are at the beach.
Oh, wow. Hey, it really does feel like I've been lying on my towel listening to the sound of the waves for ages already.
Oh, well, that means I've done my job right. Have a great holiday at the beach.
Thank you.
See ya.
Bye. Woohoo!
Well, I've been to the country and I've been to the beach and now I've got to go home. How does home make me feel? I know. Happy. A happy song coming right up. I'm on the road to a holiday. I'm on the road going far away. I'm on the road, off on an adventure today. Yeah. Ah, home sweet home. Hey, Stevie, do you know what one of these is?
Oh, yeah, it's a hurdle. You sit on them just like this, like, I'm sitting on my hurdle.
No, you don't sit on a hurdle, you jump over a hurdle.
Well, how do you do that without knocking one over?
Well, it's lucky you asked, because it's time for another Fitbit tip. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah! Okay, so, Tim, how do we hurdle without knocking them over?
Well, here's the Fitbit tip. We have to lift our knee, stretch our leg out, and over we go.
Oh, okay, so we lift the knee up, stretch the leg out, and over we go.
That's it.
Okay,
Lift, stretch, over.
Oh, hey, guys, do you reckon you're ready to hurdle?
Yeah!
Well, let's get hurdling. Here we go, guys. Woohoo! Jump, jump, jump. That's it, guys, and jump, jump.
Yeah!
Woohoo! And
go!
That's it, Giant. Jump, jump. Woohoo! Go! Woohoo! Oh, good jumping, guys. Good jumping. Woohoo!
High-five!
Roll up for the spooky train ride.
Oh, wow! A spooky train? Did you make this, Chats?
Yep, I sure did, Case. Going to the fun fair is one of my favourite things to do in the holidays.
Yeah, me too. Hey, can I go for a ride on your spooky train?
Sure, Case. Just follow the line.
Woohoo! Rattling along, singing a song on a kooky, spooky train. It's scary, but it's fun. But when I'm done, can I take a ride again on a kooky, spooky train? Whoa!
Ooh, spooky train ride. You better watch out for the crumpet.
Chats, how is a crumpet spooky?
That's just not any old crumpet, Case. That creepy crumpet is burnt to a crisp.
Oh, yeah, I suppose I don't really like it when I burn my crumpet, but would you really call it creepy?
That's just for starters, Case. Wait for the next stop on the spooky train ride. You'll be horrified.
Horrified. Now that's more like it. Next stop, here I come.
Ooh. Don't get too close, Casey. It's a jar of hideous peanut butter.
Chats, how is peanut butter hideous?
Well, when it sticks to the roof of your mouth, it's worse than hideous. It's horrendous. Whoa.
Oh, sorry, chats. Peanut butter, hideous and horrendous.
Yes, but not as spooky as the next stop.
Okay. Rattling along, singing a song on a kooky, spooky train. Whoa! It's scary, but it's fun. So when I'm done, can I take the ride again on a kooky, spooky train?
Whoa! Watch out, Casey. Whatever you do, don't spill that glass of milk. It'll be a disaster.
Oh, a disaster? Really? Why?
Because it'll make a disgusting milk mess, of course. Woo!
A disgusting milk mess?
Yeah, I can't stand it when I spill a glass of milk. It goes everywhere, on the floor, on my clothes. It's disgusting and dreadful. Casey, why are you laughing at me?
Oh,
Don't you think my train ride is spooky?
Sorry, chats. It's just that a crumpet and peanut butter and a glass of milk, is that really creepy, hideous and dreadful?
Well, when you say it like that, it doesn't sound very spooky, does it?
You know what we have here, chats?
Yeah, a not very spooky train ride.
We have the most fantastic giggle ride. This is the funniest ride I have ever been on.
Really? You mean you like it?
Yeah, this is the best ride ever.
Well, if you put it like that, roll up for the greatest giggle ride ever!
Giggle ride, here I come. I've just been on the giggle train and now I can't stop laughing. Giggle, gurgle, ha ha hee. Shake my shoulders, slap my knee. Stretch that smile from ear to ear. Tittle, squeal, guffaw and cheer. Come with me along, let's go. Barely laugh along with me. The more I laugh, the more I feel like laughing. Are you laughing too? Come on, let's do a big belly laugh together. Giggle, gurgle, ha ha hee. Shake my shoulders, slap my knee. Stretch that smile from ear to ear. Titter, squeal, guffaw and cheer. Laugh with me, come on, let's go. Belly laugh along with me. Okay, stop laughing now. Oh no, here I go again.
Every winter, all the ducks flew somewhere warm for their holidays. But this year, Daphne had a problem.
Oh, Dolly, I've hurt my wing and it's very sore to fly.
Oh no! How are you going to fly to meet all our friends at Holiday Island?
I don't know. Oh, I might just have to stay home all winter.
Oh, Holiday Island won't be the same without you, Daff. You're the life of the party.
I'm a duck who cannot fly. I've sprained my wing, that's why. I need some way to get away so I can go on holiday.
She's a duck who cannot fly. She needs to get away so we can go on holiday.
There has to be a way, Dolly. Off you go. I'll meet you there. I know I will.
Oh, I know you will, Daff. Good luck.
Daphne is not the sort of duck to give up easily. She came up with a plan to make it to Holiday Island, sprained wing or not.
I know. I'll catch the train.
So she waddled off and made her way to the train station.
Hi, I'm Daphne. I'm very excited because I'm going on a holiday and I'm catching the train for the first time.
Well, knock me down with a feather. I'm going on holiday too.
Oh.
I'm off to Holiday Island.
My goodness, me too.
Oh.
No, we can be travelling buddies.
Oh, well, that would make me as happy as a pig in mud. Or should I say moose in mud? Oh, you know, the journey to the island is in 2 parts, by train and then by plane. Oh, yeah! She's a duck who cannot fly. She's sprained her wing, that's why. We need some way to get away so we can go on holiday. I guess we'll catch the train and then we'll catch the plane. Come on holiday with us. Oh, yeah!
So Daphne and Melvin became great travelling pals and were very excited by the time they got to the airport.
I've heard about planes. I've even seen them in the sky.
Yeah, noisier than a gaggle of geese they are.
I've done a lot of flying, but never like this before.
Well, this is my first time in the air. I don't know what to expect.
Hiya, I'm CC. I think I can help you out. See, I catch a plane to my favourite holiday destination every year.
It couldn't be. Not all 3 of us.
Cece, could it be that you're going to Holiday Island?
Why, of course.
Yes!
Oh, us too.
Yeah.
Hey, we should all travel together. What an adventure.
Oh, who would have thought? A duck, a moose, and a crocodile all going on a holiday together. Wait till Dolly hears about this one.
So they all boarded the plane, chatting all the while, and before they knew it, they were at Holiday Island.
Oh, Dolly! Oh, I'm so glad you made it. Oh, I've had the best time. I went on a plane, on a train, and I made 2 new friends.
Oh, well, I knew you'd get here, Daphne. But like I always say, the more the merrier. The holiday has begun, so let's kick it off with a song.
Yeah!
I'm a duck who cannot fly.
She sprained her wing, that's why. We need some way to get away so we can go on holiday. I guess we'll catch a train and then we'll catch a plane. Come on holiday with us.
So the ducks, the moose and the crocodile had the best ever holiday and agreed to do it all again next year. Come on, creatures, let's fly over there for another song.
Rise and shine,
It's the break of day
pack the car.
and we're on our way.
The sun on my face, the breeze in my hair. We can do what we like, we can go anywhere. We can go, go, go on a holiday.
Let's go, let's go, let's get away. Let's go on a holiday. Let's go, let's get away on a holiday. We'll play all day on a holiday.
Go for a swim,
Or ride on a bike,
do anything.
maybe go on a hike.
If we stay up late, we can sleep in